igama lami nguNomalanga wakwaNdlovu. Ngiphuma eZimbabwe ngidabuka koBulawayo. Ngibhalele la ekhaya baba ngoba nginenkinga eziningi engazazi ukuthi ziqhamuka kuphi because mangihamba ngebantwini bantshela ukuthi ngivalelwe idlozi lakibo kama emsebenzini kuphi nakuphi liyangivalela. Ngoba ngilelena nalena angalithola usizo maybe la ekhaya ngoba sengifikile kuzoba ngcono.
Sisinomalanga uqedeletse kae mo sekolong sa hao?
Angiqedanga.
Why?
Ayiziningi nje inkinga. Angazi nami ukuchaza because ubaba vele bengasekho so angazi imali bingasekho uchubeka obekwenzakalani.
Okay. Because he go shebile ke bona o le ngwana o ile gore mo semoyeng o rekisitswe. Hona le ntho engwe e etsahetseng ka mosaiteng ya ha bontate wa hao. Your grandmother ungathi byakuthana kakhulu. And in her loving you, a ratela le ntho tse ile gore a di a loka mo lefatsheng. Hona le moya o ile o deposited mo hare ha hao. He ko bona o ka motho o ka tseba o ka ba motho wa kena ka mohara kereke and then wazothi lo mfundisi uyangiqasula lo yesisi uyangiqasula because msebetsi wa hao mo semoyeng o designile gore wena o be an angel of the kingdom of darkness and ke ntho wena o sa itsebeng. So this thing is sebeletsa batho ba ba I designileng but ha isebeletse wena. In a way ya gore yo hanetsa gore wena o ye sekolong. And that is why le ka mahara ha di relationships tsa hao he motho o mong a re go fedile we can no longer be together. Hona le ntho ngore o ngazongijwayela you want to take something from somebody all the time. Ntwana etsa mai ntate wa hao o tlhokofetse a itseba. And o tlhokofetse a itseba ba le ka go iruta mme o leng wa hao. And mme wa hao ha e hana a re yena wa rapela ba mo hanetsa go survive ka mahara ha motse o wa ha bolona wa Handlovu ba mmela kwa ba metsa motho o ile gore ba nyaka gore a sokole ka baka la gore a gana go accept. But mama le ha no accepta ne ba sna taba le ena because ne setse ba nkile wena. Gona le ntho bona le obutu ha o le tshwantsela ilo yetsa le tshwantsela tsamala ilo thola kereke and kereke ya nnete ka baka la gore mo mmeleng wa hao ke bona o na le di marks. Motho a ka tla re ke tattoo o ka re etse o ka re ke ntho ya kereke because neo ya hao ba etsa gore e bereke ka mahara ha kereke but he o na le difapano ho na le di star ka mahara ha kereke mo mmeleng wa hao di markets tseo it is to contradict ntho batho ba etsang ka mahara ha kereke ba irapella. And wena o sa tsebe gore why did you even think about having the marks tse jwalo? Do you have a tattoo?
Nanginayo.
Yani.
Ngiyazi ngiyithanda nje. Nayi.
I-rosary. So wena usontapi?
Angisonti.
So why une mark yesonto ungasonti?
Cha ngiyithanda nje thathu if singasabi ngabagcwele umzimba wonke.
Shukuthu uyayazi lento yasekhaya yaKaNdlovu.
Futhi angazi lutho ngisasemncane kaba msho ngumagcina ngo-S8 ekhaya ngilasibona ngazi lutho. Asemncane is too much.
Ne? Ukhona uNkulunkulu and uNkulunkulu uyaphila. Hamba uyothola isonto. With an intention of being a true church member. Not with an intention of coming into churches and disguising. Because there are so many innocent people in those churches who are there for something that you must go and fight it. Uyayazi Deliverance Church?
Kangiyazi.
Isonto la bazofocusa ukhipha amademoni. And so that they can bring the Holy Spirit and that you can operate from the Holy Spirit. Are there any questions?
Mangihamba kubanjwa umoya kuyo kama ukuthiwa yongivalele izinto.
So la uhamba khona bathi uma uye avale into zakho.
Umoya wakibo kama wami.
I don't see it that way. I see it ukuthi the spirit from the Dube side, it's a pure spirit, but the spirit from Ndlovu side ayikho right. Because then the thing that made umama ukuthi bam reject is because we accept lento yaKaNdlovu, and therefore it paints her black and it paints her family black. But the way that I see it, it is not that way. It's your own soul that I'm crying for. From where I'm sitting, it does not serve you to either be a Dube or to be a Ndlovu. You have to be a Nomalanga and ask God, what do you have for me? And you must give your heart to God, and God will change your heart and remove all the other energies yaKaNdlovu, yaKaDube, because none of them are working for you.
Yes.
Ngiyaleboga mami.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mayithi ngiyasetshenziswa angazi lutho. That's why ngimphendulile from kugogo wami ukuthi angazi lutho mina ngimncane kabi. Nakhona uthe kashona nje mina ngimncane vela angazi lutho. Ngithanda isathane mina. Ngibe ngimthatha ngizomazela ngimthathapi umazelaphi khona. Akusonta vela ngisonto. Dala bahleke ukungikhupha amadimoni mos.
Mama tlamotseleng re tsamaile ra ilo topa mangeloi a Sathane. Ha tlhahella seemo sa hae se bontšha o kare ke motho a nyakang thušo. Mara ka re ke bolela le ena ka humana ile gore a ke sa bolela le motho ke mo lebelletseng, ke thoma o bolela le dimoni. He le gore o nyaka o montšha ka mara mmušo wa lefifi, ke humana le gore ke motho ile gore e ya mmerekela le ha tsena mo dikgweranong tša hae, mo di-relationshiping tša hae, ka baka la gore ke motho ile gore yena a tsena ka mara relationship o nyaka go no tšea moya wa mothola, o nyaka go tšea ditšhelete tša mothola, ebile le he motho a motlhala o tšea diaparo tša hae tša ka fase a tsamaya a ilo di bereka. Di-underwear tša di tšeang di lokelwa ka mara mabotlolo e le mokgwa wa go thopa a soul and a spirit ya motho ile gore ha a sa morata. And she is a proud devil and a proud angel ya mmušo wa lefifi.
I don't think you were conceived in the right way. And the confirmation kubutata wakho wa inja.
Na ke Matshepo Mohase ke tloa ke le ko Thokoza ko East Rand.
Na ke Mdiya Itombo ke tswa ko Thokoza.
Today I'm going to go to because we are finding it difficult for a guy like amohela lefu la mmoagone. Now the most thing enhlupang haholo, it's when she was in her coffin and she had tears coming out of her eyes. And even if we try to wipe them, they will still reappear.
Ha re kopana le ausnale re batla o tseba hore mo a leng teng o shapuna re thole le closure because re feel hore it was not time nako ene so fit.
Ninjani?
Njani?
Siyaphila nathi Nkosi. Sawucela unikeze iBhayibheli ne. Sanika nobabini chance umntavule. So kuzoqala wena uzawuvula nje randomly. Uthatha ngokhomba awufundi unike mina. Then no sister wakho sizamnika. Khomba nabakuphi ungafundi. The one thing endiphakamela kakhulu, particularly kulo umncinci, ukuthi manje modi it is seeking okanye ukhangela icala likatata. But I'm not connecting to bloodline connection to utata that was around. And for some reason, andingena kuni noba two as much as these sisters, but when I get to icala likatata, I'm pulling apart. So I feel like story sakho ngotata will be different to esakho. and then the bond is just through umama.
Yes.
So stepfather kuwe, blood father to you. Mangiqale ke ndifunde kodwa ilizwi. So utyhilile kuJohn 12. Under umqolo othi Jesus anointed at Bethany. Meanwhile, a large crowd of Jews found out that Jesus was there and came, not only because of him, but also to see Lazarus, whom he had raised from the dead. So the chief priest made plans to kill Lazarus as well, for on account of him, many of the Jews were going over to Jesus and putting their faith in him. I'm trying to connect, but also unpack again through ilizwi lakho. Kuthiwa nje ilandawo ithi whom he had raised from the dead. But at the same time, chief priest made plans to kill Lazarus. Of which ubulala umuntu osele kwimimoya is unheard of. Ubonakalisa ke it's foul play even in how they died. Kuthetha kuthethwa ingathi like kubone i-meeting chaos, because I'm picking up at least 5-6 men abakuronda, which is a hut, traditional hut, of which kuronda iba indlu enkulu. That's where important meetings take place. They are there, but akekho ofuna umamela omnye. There is one particular utata omdala exhego elime ngenyawo, but akho mntu umamelayo. Icala kulo tata lakho awazi at all, because ngibenza describe like the elixhego ndilibonayo, but it's pointless because awazi into, it's a blank canvas. Bani uVusumuzi? Awazi negama likatata yakho?
No.
At all. Njengoba nimamele enethetha kungekho mntu omamelayo and is trying to bring calm kule room, umane khwaza Vusumuzi. Kunakukuthethisa kakhulu, because uLazarus okanye ndithi kutata wakho in this case, he has been found to be so guilty of his actions that akanonikezwa ixesha ukuba makaphile, that is uphila ke ngokomoya alungise ngendlela apha kuwe, ngoba awuzukuthi xa ubuphila ubuliphara okanye ungumntu obulala abantu and automatically think that xa uwelele kweli mimoya uzawutshintsha. So in this case, utata wakho akaveli in a good light, and I don't think it would be wise of me to push uba makuvele iindaba ezizawusuka kuye, ngoba I do not want to cloud you with ilifu elimnyama and the energy ahamba nayo. And umama zangaxele anything.
It wasn't off topic.
I don't think you were conceived in the right way. I don't think so. It was more of a forceful and violent manner. And I think then that explains why umama indaba katata wakho was off topic. Ngoba indaba off topic is something esisilonda kuye. Angafuna uthetha nje at all. Kwalona bangakuniki any information, not even igama. He passed on in prison. Gama that I'm picking up uVusumuzi, and he passed away esejele. Kunomakhulu ovelayo. And she's just confirming ukuba you're a product of rape. And I really from your mother's side. So again, uvela kwicala lakutata. And the confirmation ukuba utata wakho wayinja. So you are better off ungazi anything ngaye. Mama kwaba nawe at a very young age. Because I keep connecting to the age 16. Why not mama
16.
Mama, for never ever telling you. Because now I condemn it.
Because she said to me once, she never found happiness.
There's absolutely nothing to tell.
When she was in a coffin, like the day she was going to be buried, like she kept on like
tearing up. She's apologizing for the fact that zangakwazi ukunikeza uthando enough. Sizawufina futhi ukunika iBhayibhile uvule because ndifuna elakho ilizwi and hopefully it won't be a heavy. Right, so go First Chronicles, go chapter 3, go verse 17. The descendants of Jehoshin, the captive Shealtiel his son, Malkiram, Pedaiah, Shenazar, Jekamiah, Hoshama, and Nebadiah. The sons of Pedaiah, Jerubbaal, and Shimei. There were also 5 others: Hashubah, Ohel, Berechiah, Hazadiah, and Jushab-Hesed. The descendants of Hananiah, Mandiyegepa, and Nikulanga with other people like our cousin and stuff. And Manikule, Nabanyamandu in the family.
I did Ngongkulera Gog. So I grew up with one of my cousins. But you were around that.
Because in yeah, there were also 5. And then Gogo's Offiga Klapati iti, there were 5 others.
But my mother is also
by 5 people.
5 sisters, no? There were 5 sisters.
There were 5, yeah. So I was just looking for that correlation. The only thing, Mama, is Tingati apologetic for okanye ke emenza abe ne guilt kodwa kukushiya osemncane angakunikezi olathando likamama wholesomely okanye completely eyona ndayithethayo kukuba umntana wakhe wamshiya ngekafike naku-21 amshiye sithi noko you're an adult. That's the only thing that is coming through from icala likamama. And then another thing she says, she's apologizing for the fact that zangakwazi ukunikeza uthando enough. Olthando akwazi lumnikeza sister wakho omncinci. Ngela xesha bekusenzeka okanye ke ngeso lenyama, she was unaware. But now that ekwele mimoya, she gets to see ukuba uyimoshe phi umputhe phi. You were not the cause, but you were the reminder ukuba wakufumana njani. And she feels like uye wakuthwalisa kakhulu lo mthwalo ngoba zangakwazi ukunikeza uthando. Kodwa yona ndayibulelayo kukuba you never used any of that against uthando sister wakho. Because ukwazile umthanda sister wakho despite the fact that wena uthando lukamama ulazi ncane. Nakuye ke ukuyotshata abe nomntana was also an escape from a reality. She said it, it was more of an escape. But I must say you're a very strong person. You're very strong. And she says, funny enough, how as in using the work, ngoba when she had you, being and then she had umntana ke emtshatweni which was the proper way. But had she not had you when she did, nangekela akufumene ngayo, ebezamshiya nobani lo mntana. But ubukho bakho ngoku, buluvuyo.
To her.
To her. And to your sister. Lando ke kuthiwe out of bad situations come good. And she's resting well. Moya wakuxolile. And
Okay.
she is okay. For the first time ever, she's in a happy place. Because Mama carried a lot of pain. She's literally ulela ukuthula, unokuthula phakathi kuye right now.
Into bengifuna mina ukuyazi, like now, because now you said she's okay. Like when she passed, I like it was when she was in a coffin, like the day she was going to be buried. Like she kept on like tearing up.
Yes, now tears, even when you're happy, extremely happy,
yes.
you will cry because now I'm at peace. So it's not inyembezi.
It was not anything
Inyembezi
bad,
ezimbi
ukuthi,
ukuthi,
yeah,
yes.
because I thought that when she started like tearing up like that, I thought that even both of us, whenever we speak about her, we like always wonder,
Think of the
was
tears.
she not okay? Was she
No,
not
tears
ready
of joy.
to go?
But at the same time, ubumama ngeze busuke kuwe. So it's tears of joy, but at the same time, ikhona that worry yoba at the end of the day ngishiya abantwana bami emhlabeni. So that moment kuye was finally nditsho ndafumana inkululeko.
Thank you.
Ngoba on the other side ke kuthiwe ke abaphindi balambe, abaphindi bahlupheke ngokomoya, bayawuphila ngonaphakade. Useparadise umama wenu. Very happy place. So
Because that's the
nothing
only
to
thing
worry
that we
about.
wanted to know.
Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. So ngokutsho ke ndizawuthi zekube chusi kubele kuba ngobomnyama kuvela ukhanya phezu kobomnene ume kwande.
After One Asna Lady, I'm very relieved because what was important to me was to find out Mwaka Ushap and to find out Vela okay. I am over the moon. I'm happy. Wow. That was the best thing ever. And even taking this decision to One Asna Lady, it brings joy. Just to find, oh, ke tsebe hore ke product ya rape hore ke conceive ho bohloko. I'm not. But on the other hand, it made me understand my mother more and appreciate her more because she shielded that from me.
Into ethe yavela ke kwi-reading kaMatshepo noModiye kukubonakalisa ukuba ngamanye amaxesha abazali bayasifihlela izinto ngokuba beprotecta thina umama wakhe ke owadlwengulwa at the age of 16. Mama ke lowo ubonakale ukuba uye waphila ke naloo ntlungu ubomi bakhe bonke. Loo nto ke ibonakalisa ukuba noba abantu balele kodwa ke bayathetha. Ibonakalisa ke loo nto kwiinyembezi ezithe zavela ke kumama kaMatshepo noModiye. Mini ke yobekwa kwikhaya lakhe lokugqibela apho ke umzimba wakhe okanye ke isidumbu sakhe sabonakalisa ke sikhala inyembezi. Kanti ke kumhla umama ezibona yena efumene ukuthula ngoba ke bengumuntu obencikiveka ke ngokwenhliziyo esaphila ngokwenyama. Mzansi igama nguNaledi, ndisebechose kubele kubanga ubumnyama kuvela ukhanya kuchume kwande.